You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Mainly sunny skies for our Tuesday afternoon, and just a moderate amount of wind as well, gusting up to 50 kilometers per hour. But the big story today is, of course, the temperature. So the air temperature high, 29 degrees, but with the humidex making that feel more like 39 degrees. Now, it's a completely different story for tomorrow. The temperatures are expected to take a major dip, and we do have some more active weather in store as well. Around the noon hour tomorrow, we're expecting to see some rain and possibly a thunderstorm for parts of the region. And then on Thursday, we do have a good chance that we could see some more rain as well in the forecast. Belleville today, air temperature high 31 degrees. Again, feeling warmer with that humidex, mainly sunny skies, and again, moderate wind. Now tomorrow, the air temperature high 19 degrees and up to 25 millimeters worth of rain accumulation is expected. Overcast skies for Thursday, high of 19, a good chance that we could see some more rain there as well. Brockville, very similar here, mix of sun and clouds today, high of 30 degrees. You do have a 60% chance that you could see some rain today in the afternoon there as well. Now tomorrow, more rain in store, air temperature high 17 degrees, up to 25 millimeters worth of rain you could see tomorrow. Less of a chance on Thursday, 40% chance you could see some precipitation, air temperature high of 18 degrees. Smiths Falls today, 30 is the high, mix of sun and clouds, and again, risk of a thunderstorm with a 60% chance you could see some rain in that thunderstorm in the afternoon today. Tomorrow, overcast skies, high of 16 and up to 25 millimeters worth of rain accumulation. 1 degree warmer there in terms of the air temperature high for Thursday, 17 degrees, overcast skies, and a 60% chance you could see some more rain for your Thursday. Kingston's 5-day forecast here now showing us that as we head towards the weekend, things could calm down. The temperature will start to increase, and we could see some more sunshine as well. Getting there, though, mix of sun and clouds today. Air temperature high 30 degrees, again feeling more like 39, so do keep cool if you can. Then on Wednesday, overcast skies, air temperature high of just 17 degrees, so below average, and up to 25 millimeters worth of rain accumulation. Thursday, high of 18 degrees, overcast skies, 60% chance we could see some rain in our forecast. Then on Friday, mixed bag, mix of sun and clouds, possibility of some rainfall, high of 22 degrees. Saturday, high of 24 degrees, and again, mix of sun and clouds, potential for some rain at this point.
Your full forecast is brought to you by the William Taylor Real Estate Team, selling Kingston since 2001.
A little rain last night. Kind of an understatement, I guess. Yeah, a whole lot of rain. In fact, some of the low-lying roads in the region have been covered with water, and yeah, there's been some people out there busy trying to fix that. We are looking at some more rain, but it was nice to get that block of sunshine today. A little on the hot and sticky side. The nice thing is temperatures are going to drop, and we will eventually get rid of the humidity. The nice thing is when those temperatures drop, the humidity isn't a big factor. You don't get the humidex value. Even though humidity could still be high, you're not going to be feeling it like you did today. Look at this, 30 between Brockville and Belleville today, 30 in Smiths Falls 2 and Ottawa, 29 in Peterborough, 31 in Oshawa, 32 in Toronto, and all of them feeling 8 or 9 degrees warmer than that. Nearly 40 is what it felt like today in eastern Ontario. Crazy. West-northwest winds at 24 kilometers per hour, 35 for gusts, and a 45% relative humidity. So it's really dropped already thanks to the westerly flow. Much earlier today, those points were a little higher. So we'll see the humidity come down. We've already seeing that. The rain, 100 millimeters, and that's sort of an estimate based on so many different numbers that came in. Some were, 80, some were 110. It was, so we come up with the average for this region. About 100 millimeters of rain fell last night. So yeah, a lot of rain, and there's more yet to come. We've got more low pressure systems moving in from the west. As they do, they track east just south of the lower Great Lakes. That's where we are right here. So as it moves through, we get more rain over Wednesday, and again into Thursday. You'll see it. Looks like Elsa is still pushing strong along the Atlantic coast and will reach Canadian waters very soon. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. This is where we are now. So up in cottage country to the north, you might still see quite a bit of cloud. There's that chance of a shower this evening north of Kingston, but you really don't see that in a big way through the evening or overnight. It isn't until tomorrow morning that we get back into that batch of rain again. Could be heavy through the morning, and it looks as if it's actually going to clear up a little bit through the afternoon, early evening, and then boom, you get more of that chance of showers moving back in again. By Thursday morning we get into it, and you could see some real heavy rain pushing through on Thursday afternoon. The risk of thunderstorms and that cloud coverage is probably going to stick around for Friday too, with still a small probability of showers. There's Elsa, and there she goes, making her second landfall in the Florida Panhandle. Her first, of course, on the west end of Cuba. This is going to continue to move through up through the Carolinas, and just as it gets past the Carolinas, it's going to drop to a low pressure or subtropical low pressure system. Then it starts to pick up steam again and head for Atlantic Canada, becoming a tropical storm for a period of time. Once it gets up to Nova Scotia, though, it drops back down to low pressure. And it's still going to be very strong. Rains and strong winds will be a big factor for us in Atlantic Canada. Belleville tomorrow, 18, not the near 30 with a humidex of 40. And you've got that chance of showers and thunderstorms again. Thursday, 19 with rain. Friday, high 22, 40% chance of showers. Hope to see some sunny periods, setting the stage for a nice weekend. Brockville, 17 tomorrow for a high, 18 Thursday. Friday up to 22, better temperature, just a 40% chance of showers. But everybody getting that 20 millimeters or more. You could see as high as 30 in Smiths Falls tomorrow. Thursday, 17 for high and showers, and a 30% probability on Friday. And then Kingston, it's a high 17 tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms, 15 to 25 millimeters of rain expected. Thursday, a high of 18, more rain. And Friday, a high 22, 40% chance of showers, mostly cloudy. Hope to see some clearing late day. And look at that. Saturday and Sunday, temperatures just below the seasonal average of 26 with a mix of sun and cloud both days. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Paul Lance of Belleville sends this one in. Lovely picture of a dragonfly. It's huge. Look at it. It's not really. He just zoomed in quite a bit. That's a blade of grass that the dragonfly is sitting on, not a reed out of a swamp. This is just a blade of grass. So nice, detailed, zoomed-in picture. Very pretty, and seeing a lot of them now. Thanks, Paul, for your photo. If you've got pictures, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yeah, just a tiny one there. And it looks as though we're going to have a great weekend.
Yeah, we've timed that right. We got all this chaos, the wet weather, the wind, the lightning, all that out of the way, and a decent weekend on tap. Let's hope the forecast stays that way.
I was just going to say, somebody knock on wood. All right, we'll see you back here in a little bit for your long-range forecast. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
A whole lot of rain came our way last night, over 100 millimeters. That was the big news with this system. There was a bit of a light show, but more so it was all about the quantity of water that fell in the area. We had some localized flooding. City was busy trying to get some of the water off the roads. High pressure moving in and clearing it up nicely this morning, but it does look as if we've got a train of lows moving through and bringing you more rain over the next couple of days. I don't think we're facing any drought situations now. There's Elsa coming up the coast, sort of doesn't know whether it wants to be a tropical storm or post-tropical storm. It will change in energy and power over the next little while as it tracks up to Atlantic Canada. By the time it gets there, it'll just be a low-pressure system, but a strong one. 18 for a high tomorrow in Belleville with 15 to 25 millimeters of rain. Those winds about a north 20, but diminishing in the afternoon. Thursday, a high 19 with more rain, and then that reduces to 40% probability Friday with a mix of sun and cloud. Temperature's a bit better, high 22. Brockville will see that 22 on Friday as well. 17's your high tomorrow, Brockville, 15 to 25 millimeters of rain. Thursday, more rain, a high 18. And in Smiths Falls, you see the same trend. Those temperatures improve by Friday up to a 21, certainly not the seasonal average of 26. You've got about 20 to 30 millimeters of rain tomorrow. Showers on Thursday, and yeah, only a 30% 50% probability Friday. Things are going to improve on the weekend for sure. Kingston, a high 17 tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms again. We could see up to 25 millimeters of rain. Those northeast winds 20 to 40 kilometers per hour will diminish in the afternoon. Thursday, rain, a high 18. 22 is your temperature Friday. Still a small chance of showers, but look at that weekend. Up to a 25 by Sunday and a mix of sun and cloud. Monday and Tuesday, though, bring back the chance of showers and even a risk of thunderstorms.